Yan, ready nyo pin nyo. Bukahin yung ganyan. Para hindi masyado magalaw, meron naman kayong forceps. O yan. O, ready nyo pin. Prepare mo muna siya. Para hindi masyadong yan. Tulo lang po. So ganun po yung gagawin nyo. Batakin nyo lang itong glassin para sa ano siya, flat na flat. Wag nyo pong gagayahin to. Itong ganito. Gumagalaw yung pakpak. Pag ganyan lang ang pin nyo. Pwede pong ganito kalalaki ang distansya. Pag binanat nyo na siya. No? Yan. So ganun po ano. Yung isa. Okay, pwede pong air dry, sun drying,
oven.
O kaya oven. Ano po? Kagaya nito, ilang beses.
Productive, may mga output, may mga knowledge, may mga skills po tayong natutunan. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Host, Kasia Pistola, and this is Catopsilia Pomona. So, really very difficult to catch, but it's really very heartwarming kung talaga siya using your insignet.
So, ito po yung gawa ko, gawang Pinoy po yan. So, kung makikita nyo, very simple lang. Actually, it reflects my personality, simple lang.
And sa itong frame na ito, parang gutom ang ating butterfly. Kailangan magsisip ng nectar, something ganun. So, parang ganun lang. So, parang paalaala lang sa hindi mga butterfly enthusiast na itong butterfly ay kailangan nila yung sunflower para mabuhay sila.
Pinaka-purpose ko dahil ito ay parang attractive. So nilagyan ng mga flowers sa gilid. Kasi yung purpose natin kung magawa tayo ng frame, lalo na sa butterfly, is for commercialization. So para ma-attract yung mga natin, mga clients, customers, so dapat hindi lang butterfly yung ilagay. At saka nakikita pa sa mga mall, mayroon talaga siyang scientific name na nilagay. No? Tulad ng sa akin, yung Partinus Selvia.
So, aesthetically, when it comes to creative, but I won't go deeper with the technical aspect of these two butterflies, but siguro akong ma-explain with my output is it has two different colors kasi. So for the dark one, so the dark before the light, which is the change, and then the other one is white with a scent of yellow, white which means purity, and then with the scent of yellow which is happiness and joy.
Dalawa siya, mother and yung sa baba, yung baby niya. So, ang pamagat nito, it's under your wings, Char. So, hindi ka mapupunta sa ibang lugar or kung yung parent mo is nag-guide sa'yo and you will be under his or her wings. Bali, gaya din po ng ating training na ito. So, since kung pupunta tayo sa conservation or butterfly ranching and farming, una dito tayo, bali itong training na ito parang ito yung guide natin para maging successful tayo sa ating endeavor. So thank you.
As I look at it, it will always remind me that there is beauty beyond imperfection. And as an educator, it will remind me that to be patient with my student, because I'm going to relay this or to echo these skills to them. If they cannot give me the best output, it will remind me that I was once like them. That is why it will humble me and be more patient.
Ito pala, isang papilyo sa calamansi. So, very simple.
This is my output. This is dedicated to our beloved President, Ma'am Charisma Saparani Ututalong. Oo nga, medyo yung paro-paro kasi pababa, parang presidente din talaga namin. Sasaluhin niya talaga yung mga maliliit na mga employee niya para aangat din sa taas.
Nilagyan ko ng background na kulay white since na all black siya para ma-emphasize. Then maliit at saka malaki kasi yun lang ang nakuha. Pero pinagtyagaan ko talaga yung pinakamaliit, ang hirap gawin.
So this is my output. Actually, wala siyang concept talaga. So, parang ano na lang, kung anong nakuha, ilagay na lang. Pero inisip ko, kailangan kasi may concept. So, ang akin is diversity. So, pag tingin kong ganon, parang maganda naman tingnan. So, there is beauty in diversity.
What I would like to put an emphasis is first yung size. I would like to speak through that there are variation in size ng butterflies. And then I put up the cryptic, the brown ones, because we associate usually beauty with batingkad na kulay. But I would like to emphasize also that despite this cryptic color, meron din namang mga beauty if we look deeper or in more detail yung mga pattern nila. And then another thing is they are the most abundant in the area. So that's one thing that I would like to emphasize in here.
I would like to emphasize that, of course, butterfly, we all know nga dramatic ang kanilang changes from sinong mag-aakala from caterpillar magiging ganito kaganda ang butterfly or ang adult. So ganun din ang explanation ko, because sinong mag-aakala na makakarating ako dito, no? Being with you, being with you, like-minded people. So yan lang po. Thank you.
This is my design because the butterfly is more longer than it is wider, so paano ang orientation. And then since when you look at the frame, the butterfly is only the focus, just like our workshop today, which only focuses on butterfly po.
Ang concept ko, ma'am, is butterfly in sunset po. So, mga akong leaves po and trunk is orange. So, mura siya o kanang setting po niya kay sunset po, ma'am, di ba? Kung sunset, nindo tanaw ng butterfly. May emphasize niyang color.